On April 18, 1986, the Metropolitan Drug Commission was formed. Over the last 30 years, we have accomplished many things. As we continue to evolve and meet the needs of our community, we are changing our name to the Metro Drug Coalition. We look forward to continuing to serve our city, county, and state.
MDC has accomplished a lot in the last 30 years. I think one of the accomplishments that I really admire the most are the neonatal programs, really focusing on moms who have substance abuse and on the children whom they deliver that are born with this.
The most recent is the MDC's focus on prescription drug issues and really taking a holistic approach at that and leading a group of individuals who have come together that would normally not meet together. Law enforcement, prosecutors, doctors, legislators, and coalition members, all sitting down to talk about this major issue that we have, not only just in our community, but throughout the country and throughout our state, clearly. And MDC has been great at taking the lead for the state and showing that we can impact this issue.
Addiction, whether we're talking about pain pills or alcohol or anything else, addiction is a very complicated problem and it has many factors that contribute to it. So taking that multifactorial or multidisciplinary approach to solving the problem is vital. I think the other piece that MDC does, it stays relevant. So what are the addiction issues we're having now? What's the thing we need to focus on now? And they've done that, they've changed over time. What's the focus need to be? And also bringing in evidence-based information so that we're making decisions based on evidence and what's the current problem, and not just, oh, that would be a good idea, let's try that.
MDC has been instrumental in going after the opiate drug abuse. As a state representative sitting on the Finance Committee, every day I see how much drugs are costing the state of Tennessee. And it's not just costing lives, it's also costing money. And every dollar that we have to spend because of drug abuse takes money away from education or helping the elderly or roads or other things. So it's incumbent upon us to do something. And so I knew MDC had the wherewithal and the leadership and the Rolodex to get things done.
So I think the importance of MDC is it's a conscience for our community, right? It provides the conscience for us so that we are able to assure that those things that need to be done right are being done, and to avoid those things that are being done that are wrong.
MDC has impacted me both on a professional and personal level. Professionally, as mayor, it's important that we have an organization like MDC who will bring us all together to address this issue. Working together, we can make strides in solving it. By ourselves, it's close to impossible. On a personal level, I don't think there are too many families that I know or that exist across our country that have not personally been impacted by the issue of substance abuse by a loved one or an extended family member, and my family's no different. So on a very personal level, I appreciate that they advocate for solutions and that they provide information to help people who have that problem in their family know where to go and know how to talk to their children, know where the resources are in our community.
MDC here in Knoxville, as it exists now, is really a model for our state, and that state leaders are looking to us and looking at what we're doing and hoping to recreate that across the state. And we are seen as a model, not just across the state, but nationwide. Folks ask us, about the things that we're doing and how did we get those things accomplished. So I think that's important for folks to know that what we have now in our community really is a model for addressing addiction.
We invite you to work with us to achieve our vision of a healthy and safe community free of substance abuse. You can join us by volunteering your time as a coalition member or by donating towards our mission. We appreciate your continued support of Metro Drug Coalition.